Yo, what's up? Today we'll be doing the creatine challenge. I've never tried creatine before, so this is my first time. Let's see if I can do it. You got
creatine, dry scoop. You haven't been taking it, so you're going to start consistent after today?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so after this, stay consistent. You do this, you can join the frat. So let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. No water. Follow it. Oh my god, Ryan.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Can you swallow it? It's like 8 milligrams gone, bro. Okay, just gonna get creatine all over Cam's shirt. Just in your mouth. Bro, take the fucking water, bro. I don't think anyone dry scoops creatine. I think it's only pre-workout.
Oh my god, no. I just dropped like a couple milligrams of it.
You dropped a lot of milligrams of it.
Alright, so it's currently February 17, 2026, and this is my first week of trying creatine. I'm putting 5 grams of creatine into my drink and then adding water into it to just dissolve the creatine. And, you know, I mean, creatine here is unflavorful, which is, you know, a plus. So I'm just like drinking the whole thing at once. It's not that bad. And this is my second day of trying creatine, and this is my third day of trying creatine. So I'm gonna show y'all progress really soon. So let's see some progress pics. Alright, so that's the end of this series of trying creatine for the first time in 30 days. It was a pretty interesting journey. I've gained like over 10 pounds within the last like month or so. It's been like a month or two while trying creatine. Not actually 30 days, but it's been a pretty crazy ride, and I didn't expect to get this far with my physique wise. This summer I do plan on cutting and definitely leaning out to show my abs more. I've definitely gained a lot of muscle throughout these last few months, so definitely creatine I feel like helped with my overall progression. Like I increased my weight for a lot of the exercise I did. But that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next video.